Bonsoir.
Sunia and Mika, welcome to your wedding. Today is a celebration of the journey that you have shared, the life that you have built together, and the deep love that continues to grow between you.
It's awesome.
Awesome.
It's a joy to be here with you in this beautiful place in Provence, surrounded by a small circle of the closest people to you.
Can I kiss the bride?
We're here to witness and honor this meaningful moment together.
We want to decorate the cake and then to eat it. Magnifique.
Today, we don't begin a marriage, we recognize one. A marriage that has already been lived in the small things, in shared decisions, daily routines, inside jokes, and the way that you've supported each other through everything.
I've got the month of May. Oh, I guess you say what can make me feel this way.
Hello, my name is Misha and this is my first shot of tequila.
Talking about my girl. I've got so
Together, you've built something real,
much love.
a relationship rooted in trust, shared dreams, and the choice to keep showing up for each other every day.
I've got a sweeter song that I can sing. The new
Can I kiss the bride?
And to you, marriage is not the beginning, it's a continuation, deepening of what you've already created together. A love that is steady, vibrant, and ready for what comes next. So Sunia and Mika, you've already shared so much, a home, a life, and a partnership rooted in trust, laughter, and quiet loyalty. Marriage won't change what you are to each other, but it does mark the promises that you will now make for all that is to come. Do you promise to continue to choose Sunia each day, to stand beside her with kindness, to love her faithfully, in all that life brings, day forward?
Yes, of course.
Fantastic. Sunia, do you promise to continue choosing Mika each day, to stand beside him in kindness, to love him faithfully, in all that brings from this day forth?
I do.
She does. Wonderful. For the first time, welcome, Madame and Monsieur Zvetskov.
Oh, I guess you say, ooh, what can make you feel this way, my girl?
L'chaim? L'chaim. Sing. Sing, sing.
Well, I feel so good, everything is getting hot. You better take it easy, 'cause the place is on fire. Feel a hot day, nothing went too good. Now I'm gonna relax like everybody should. And I'm so glad you made it. Hey, hey, so glad you made it. You got to give me some of that. Give me some of that.
Magnifique.